The Kentucky Supreme Court has ordered impeachment proceedings against a Lexington judge to stop.
Lawmakers have accused Fayette Circuit Judge Julie Goodman of misconduct in office, saying she should be removed from the bench. But as Allie Root reports, the case has been met with some pushback.
In a 5-to-1 vote, justices say lawmakers overstepped, ruling the impeachment violates the Constitution's separation of powers. But a former lawmaker I spoke with argues it's actually the Supreme Court that has crossed that line. Less than 2 weeks before a scheduled impeachment trial, Kentucky Supreme Court justices are attempting to stop lawmakers from taking next steps in the process.
I think it takes us to a really uncertain place about the powers of the General Assembly and the powers of the Supreme Court, and I'm not sure it's a good place for us to be.
Justices say Goodman's offenses are not impeachable and that her due process rights were violated because she was not able to publicly defend her decisions in pending cases. But former state senator Whitney Westerfield says that point is debatable.
She had an opportunity to file a response which was lengthy, exceptionally lengthy. She had an opportunity to present in the committee. She had counsel present.
Justices say the allegation should have been handled by the Judicial Conduct Commission, not the legislature. Though it's rare, Westerfield says impeachment is a tool that lawmakers should be able to turn to if necessary, and he believes the Supreme Court does not have the power to stop the trial from moving forward.
Because to stop the process is to concede that power and concede that the Supreme Court's order is correct and to say, you're right. We have to stop here. I don't know that the General Assembly is interested in agreeing to that or acquiescing to that position. So I would be surprised if they didn't move forward.
We have reached out to representatives for Judge Goodman, the House and Senate for comment, but have not heard back yet.